Hi guys, let's find out how many items can we buy for $76 here in British Columbia. First, we got here Cheerios. Ilalagay ko lang sa taas yung mga prices nito kasi hindi ko naman memorize. Cheerios for my husband because I'm not into Cheerios honestly. Hindi ako maka-cereal. For the first time, I will be trying the Pringles here. Yes, first time. Kasi hindi din ako ma-Pringles. Pringles. The third one is grapes. I really love the green grapes, and I found out that green grapes are better than the purple ones. So if you want grapes, you can have the green ones instead of the purple. The third one, grapes. Next is this wine? Yes, wine with 0% alcohol because I'm not into alcohol as well. So this is the fourth one. This is for the new year. Next is, hindi mawawala, of course, kung may Cheerios, meron din tayong milk. This is very important here. I'm not into milk, pero parang pag may niluluto ka, usually ng mga pagkain nila dito, kailangan ng milk. So, we have the milk here. This one, creamer for the coffee because Bob loves coffee so much. Parang pagising niya ng umaga, kailangan may coffee siya. So, meron kaming creamer. This is a must-have. And for bagels, Bob's Bagels for work. Sa kanya to, bread lang siya. It's a type of bread. And raisins. Pinipair niya kasi itong raisins sa Cheerios niya. And then milk. Not a fan. And nakita ko to and very mura lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4 na pork chop. It's like $11 only. So yes, we already have 4 slices of pork chop. And then, my favorite, even in the Philippines, pork liver. Tapos lalagyan ko lang siya ng soy sauce at saka sugar. And it's gonna be yummy. Complete na yung day ko. Pork liver and $3 lang siya. And the last one is the Club Pack chicken breast. This is my first time actually to have found this kind of breast. Usually na nakikita ko lang yung mga chia thighs, yung drumsticks, yung gano'n. So, tatlo na siya for $14. Chicken breast. And take note, it has lots of proteins. No? Mga breast talaga natin, maraming mga proteins, no? Kaya siguro nag-produce tayo ng mga milk, yung mga mamas natin. Yes. So, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 items for $76, approximately 3,300 for you guys in the Philippines. Thank you!